Hi there guys. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can easily add animations to your Vue app using a library called Auto Animate. It is made by the same guys that made FormKit, a very popular form library for Vue, and they've cooked up Auto Animate to easily add animations like this to your app with just a few lines of code. How they do this is they automatically animate whenever you move an element in the DOM, whenever you add an element to the DOM, and when you remove an element in the DOM. So to get started, all you have to do is install the package. You can just grab the npm install package here and paste it to your terminal. But because I already have this package installed in my project, I want to go ahead and run the server. Now the server is currently running, and I can go ahead into my app, and you can see if I add or remove an item from this here, I get no animation. It looks boring. We can easily fix that by adding animations to our project using Auto Animate. So let's go into our project now and get this started. A really simple rundown of the code we have here. So we have an array of numbers, a function to add number, a function to remove number, two buttons to add and remove, a v-for here to loop through the numbers in the array, and one div to wrap the entire v-for element here. The reason why we have another div here is because this is how Auto Animate knows what to animate. So to get started, we want to go ahead and import Auto Animate. So import Auto Animate from FormKit Auto Animate, and you also want to import unmounted div. So now we want to target our div element here. We want to target the outer div here, and let's just create a ref for that. Const Auto Animate target equals a ref. Let's just leave the ref empty for now, and let's add the ref to our div element here. So ref Auto Animate target. So now we want to initialize Auto Animate. To do this, let's go ahead and add unmounted, and it is as simple as this. The code is automatically completed for me by the AI I have installed on my system, which is Codium. But let's just go ahead and write a bunch of things more, and you can see we add Auto Animate, and we add the target, which is Auto Animate the target the value when our project is mounted. And guys, this is all we need to add animation to our app. Now if I save this and go back here and refresh my app, if I add, you see I get a little animation there, and if I remove, I also get a little animation. So we've done this easily by just writing very few bunch of lines. We've added animation to our project when we add and when we remove. So Auto Animation is really good to use, and it's simple to use. I don't see any reason why you shouldn't use it, but it's not going to be for every use cases. But if you have something like, say, a FAQ that has a drop down like this, you can see it's going to come in handy a lot to just do this and you don't have to write a bunch of CSS to animate this. And you can also add a few configurations, which is the duration, the easing, and if you want to disrespect the user motion preference, you can also add this. So let's just play around with the easing, or let's play around with the timing for now. Let's play around with the duration for now. Let's go back into our project, and we can just put a comma, or we can add the duration, and instead of 250, which is the default, we can add, say, 500. And if we save this and come back to add, if we add, you can see it takes a bit while longer to display the elements fully, because we've set it to 500. We've set the duration of the animation to 500, and the animation is therefore a little bit slower. I don't think that's too beautiful, so let's set it to, say, 100. No, not 200, 100 for now. Let's save and come back here. Now if we add, you can see that it still has animation, but it is a little bit smoother, and a little bit better. I think I like this better. I like this better personally. So guys, there you have it. That is all you need to do to add animation to your project. Now, this library also works with React and also works with Svelte, and it works with the Vue framework, which is Nuxt. They have a module for that, so you can also use it in your Nuxt project. So, and easily add animations, beautiful animations, really, I will say, to your project without having to write a bunch of CSS. There, guys, I hope you found this helpful, and if you did, do leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you. See you next time.